Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gadgets with a roundup of the top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are truly incredible. These are not just your average tech toys. They're incredible, innovative, and will blow your mind. So let's jump right in. 9. Disclouser Compact Cooling Fan. The Disclouser Compact Cooling Fan is a revolutionary device designed to provide immediate relief in hot weather while remaining exceptionally portable. Its sleek, compact design makes it easy to carry, whether you're at the beach, on a hike, or simply commuting. This fan features a powerful yet quiet motor that delivers a refreshing breeze without disturbing your surroundings. With multiple speed settings, you can customize the airflow to suit your needs, from a gentle, soothing breeze to a more intense gust. One of the standout features of the Disclouser fan is its rechargeable battery, which offers long-lasting performance on a single charge, ensuring you stay cool throughout your day. The fan also includes a built-in LED light, making it a practical tool for both day and night use. Additionally, its ergonomic handle and lightweight design enhance portability, making it a convenient accessory for various activities. 8. Logitech Pink K380 and Pebble Mouse. The Logitech Pink K380 keyboard and Pebble mouse set is a charming and practical duo that brings a touch of elegance and comfort to your workspace. The K380 keyboard, with its vibrant pink hue, is not only visually appealing but also designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Its compact, lightweight design and comfortable, low-profile keys make typing a breeze whether you're working at your desk or on the go. The keyboard features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily switch between 3 devices, which is perfect for multitasking across different platforms. Complementing the K380 is the Logitech Pebble mouse, which also sports a matching pink color. Its slim, minimalist design is both stylish and functional. The Pebble mouse offers a quiet, smooth clicking experience, reducing distractions in shared spaces. Its optical sensor ensures precise tracking on various surfaces, enhancing your productivity. 7. Ugreen 65W USB-C charger. The Ugreen 65W USB-C charger is a high-performance charging solution designed to meet the demands of modern electronic devices. With its robust 65-watt power output, this charger can efficiently power a wide range of gadgets, from laptops and tablets to smartphones and other USB-C-enabled devices. Its compact, sleek design makes it highly portable, perfect for both home and travel use. Equipped with advanced gallium nitride technology, the Ugreen charger ensures efficient power delivery while maintaining a smaller footprint and lower heat generation compared to traditional chargers. This technology not only supports rapid charging but also contributes to its overall durability and energy efficiency. 6. Musin Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Musin Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a blend of retro charm and modern functionality, designed to deliver both style and superior sound quality. With its vintage-inspired design featuring a classic grille and compact, sturdy build, this speaker stands out in any setting, whether you're at home or on the go. Despite its nostalgic appearance, the Musin speaker packs impressive audio performance. It delivers rich, clear sound with deep bass and crisp highs, ensuring an immersive listening experience. The Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless pairing with various devices, enabling you to stream music effortlessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Portability is a key feature of the Musin speaker. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry, while the built-in rechargeable battery provides extended playtime, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes for hours without interruption. 5. Wakako Minipresso GR. The Wakako Minipresso GR is a compact and innovative espresso maker designed for coffee enthusiasts who crave a quality espresso experience on the go. Its sleek, portable design makes it ideal for travel, camping, or office use, allowing you to enjoy a fresh espresso wherever you are. This manual espresso machine is engineered to deliver a rich, flavorful espresso with crema, without the need for batteries or electricity. The Minipresso GR operates using a simple hand-pumping mechanism that generates the necessary pressure to brew your coffee. Its built-in water reservoir and coffee chamber are easy to use and clean, ensuring a hassle-free brewing process. 4. Specta Air Drone with Wide Angle. The Specta Air Drone with Wide Angle is a sophisticated and versatile aerial device designed to capture stunning visuals from unique perspectives. Featuring a high-quality wide-angle camera, this drone is perfect for photographers and videographers seeking to expand their creative horizons. The wide-angle lens allows for expansive shots, providing a broader field of view and capturing more of the scene in each frame. The Specta Air drone boasts advanced flight capabilities, including stable hover, smooth maneuvering, and precise controls, ensuring ease of use for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its intuitive controls and various flight modes make it adaptable for different shooting needs, from sweeping landscape shots to close-up detail work. With a focus on user convenience, the drone typically includes features like GPS navigation for improved stability and location tracking, automated flight paths, and real-time video transmission to your mobile device. This allows for live viewing and easy adjustments to framing while in flight. It is AP80 Pro X. The Hide's AP80 Pro X is a high-performance portable digital music player designed for audiophiles and music enthusiasts who demand superior sound quality in a compact form. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this device combines advanced technology with a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for those who value both aesthetics and functionality. Equipped with a powerful high-res DAC digital-to-analog converter and a high-quality amplifier, the AP80 Pro X delivers exceptional audio performance with detailed sound reproduction and deep, rich bass. Its support for various high-resolution audio formats, including FLAC, WV, and DSD, ensures that you can enjoy your music in the highest possible quality. The device boasts a responsive touchscreen interface that allows for easy navigation and control. Its built-in storage, combined with support for expandable memory via microSD cards, offers ample space for your music library. Additionally, the AP80 Pro X features Bluetooth connectivity, enabling wireless streaming and pairing with a variety of headphones and speakers. Battery life is another highlight, with the player offering extended playback time on a single charge, making it ideal for long listening sessions or travel. Its compact size and durable build ensure that it can withstand everyday use while remaining highly portable. The Hide's AP80 Pro X combines advanced audio technology with practical features, making it a standard choice for those seeking a high-quality, portable music player. 2. Fiverr M20C. The Fiverr M20C is a cutting-edge portable flashlight designed for both professional and recreational use. Known for its impressive brightness and versatile functionality, this flashlight is engineered to deliver reliable illumination in various conditions. Featuring a powerful LED light source, the M20C provides a bright and focused beam that can reach impressive distances, making it suitable for activities like camping, hiking, or search and rescue operations. Its adjustable beam allows you to switch between a wide floodlight for close-range visibility and a narrow spotlight for long-range focus, offering flexibility depending on your needs. The Fiverr M20C is built with durability in mind, incorporating rugged materials that ensure it can withstand tough environments and rough handling. Its robust construction is often complemented by water and impact resistance, making it a dependable tool in adverse weather conditions or challenging terrains. The flashlight is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring an intuitive interface for easy operation and a rechargeable battery that provides extended use between charges. 1. MILC D9 Pro. The MILC D9 Pro is an advanced laser distance meter designed for precise measurements and versatile applications in both professional and DIY projects. This compact and user-friendly device offers a range of features tailored to ensure accuracy and ease of use. One of the standout features of the D9 Pro is its impressive measuring range and high precision. It utilizes laser technology to provide accurate distance measurements up to several hundred meters, making it suitable for tasks ranging from interior room measurements to larger construction projects. The device typically features a high-resolution display that clearly shows measurement data in various measurement modes. The D9 Pro often includes multiple measurement functions such as area, volume, and Pythagorean theorem calculations, enhancing its versatility. It may also offer Bluetooth connectivity. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets from Amazon that are truly incredible. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.